What's good, y'all? Welcome back to your girl channel. As y'all see by that title below and what's going on today, and y'all see I'm in the car, so I'm going to do a prank on my girl Tralaisha or whatever. This is going to be hella funny. We haven't collabed in a while. I'm very excited to be collabing back with my girl. It's time to get back to business, okay? But anyways, y'all, so I just pulled up at Walmart and I'm finna grab the items that I need for this video, for this prank or whatnot. And I'm excited, so I'm gonna hurry up and get this or whatever. I'm gonna get back on the camera the moment, as soon as I come out the store and I grab what I need or whatever. And but before we get into this video, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to your girl channel right now. Press the notification bell so you can be notified anytime your girl posts a video. Smack that like button right now, or all up and through this video. Thumbs up this video for sure, y'all. Comment anything down below, and we finna get to this video, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm back in the car. I got my stuff. I got the poster, I got markers, and I also have some tape, y'all, right here. So anyways, y'all, I'm headed to her crib right now or whatever. And what I'm gonna do when I get there, I'm gonna try to like before I go inside and link up with her or whatever like that, I'm gonna try to like sneak and put it on the back of her car, of course, or whatever. So what should I put though? Should I put like honk if you're blessed, or honk if you love the Lord? Something that's gonna make people really honk and blow their horn, because I really want her, like, I want her reaction to be like really mad and like, and really, you know, I just want a really good reaction, y'all. So praying for a good reaction, hoping for a good reaction. We're gonna get a good reaction of her or whatever. So yeah, I'm excited, y'all, but I'm headed to her right now or whatever. And yeah, so I'll get back with y'all when I get to her crib. Alright, y'all, so I pulled up to Tralaisha crib or whatever like that, and so I gave myself some time as well to write and think about what I'm actually going to put on the sign or whatever. So I found out what I wrote honk if you're blessed, y'all see that? Honk if you're blessed or whatever like that. It's really kind of cute, low-key or whatever. So I see her car. She know I was coming, but she don't know that I'm outside yet. So this is how we finna do it, y'all. So let's see. Watch out. Hold me putting it on the car. Alright, y'all, so I got it on there. Look how it look, y'all. Honk if you're blessed. Oh my god, I'm finna get this girl. Oh my god, I wonder, you know what, y'all think people really gonna blow? People gonna blow, because if you feel blessed and you know the Lord blesses you, you gonna honk that horn. Oh, but anyways, y'all, so we really supposed to be going to take a ride somewhere or whatever. You know, I think she wanna, I don't know what she want to do, but I know she want to ride around somewhere or whatever. So why not do the prank on her? But anyways, y'all, let me go inside or whatever. And yeah, because you know we vlogging and stuff, because we got a collab, of course. So stay tuned to the vlog.
Way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it.
Alright, y'all, I'm in the car with my girl. I'm so happy we finally linked back up to collab and do our little thing. You feel me? Say hey to the camera. Hey. Yeah, it's so hot out here. If it's in your way, or I need me a tripod. I need one of the things for my car. I want a nice, decent one. Either one that where I can hang it up close right here, or either on the side. So I'm actually hungry, but I don't know what I want to eat.
I'm trying to get my fat back. I'm trying to get my fat back.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wish YouTube wasn't like so copyright.
Me too, because I be want to play music and vlog like I want them to really. Ooh, working men, baby out there working good. Y'all need some water? Y'all have two guys out there working and stuff. Looks like they need a little water. I'll get you some water. I told my mom and my sisters and my brothers, I told them if I was the only child, I'd be so spoiled. Like I have everything. I probably have like 2-3 cars or something. I want to stay in something like that.
It be messed up though, me too. It be messed up though when they spoil you and then they stop spoiling you when you get of age.
Right.
Like how you do that? You supposed to keep spoiling me until I get my shit together.
Right, because I'm always your child. Remember that.
Can't do that, bro.
Right.
But you want me to spoil you now though. I don't do that.
Right.
I'm not gonna spoil you.
Right. So your son small? He's small?
Easy.
Girl.
Oh my God.
So he gonna be looking for mama to come through when he needs you.
I feel like he gonna get mad at me and try to go to my mama's house.
Oh yeah.
That's what,
When you won't get him what he want, if your mama say yes to more things or something.
She already do that.
He gonna be going over there. That's how they go.
The ultimate in orange.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I know you're talking about like that pumpkin like that. I think I know what you're talking about. That's different. That's different. Oh, that was mine. Oh, that was mine.
It probably was yours. I just read that.
I need to get rid of Sprint because I don't never have service nowhere. I can't never it's just bad. I don't like Sprint. I'm sick of Sprint. I think I'm gonna go try AT&T.
I never used to have service with Sprint. But I think that was a long time ago, so they probably got better by now.
Wait till winter time. Somebody just blow.
Yeah. I ain't even do nothing though. All I did was get out. They tripping. And I hit my single number.
They need to hurry up and fix these roads over here. The whole street.
I know.
Girl, look at Popeyes.
What is
girl,
going on?
how you try
It
to
better be that chicken
that
sandwich.
damn chicken sandwich? Everybody been going after the chicken sandwich, but it been out for a minute. But everybody been on it hard lately. These last few days, people been talking about the Popeyes chicken
They
sandwich.
been comparing it to
Chick-fil-A, girl. Girl, you seen AO video, girl?
Who?
AO is comedy. Girl, you gotta watch his videos. I'm gonna have to show you. And how the bread connect to the sandwich.
What you mean?
Like that's how it is. So good.
This road is horrible. What is people going at me for?
Girl, they blowing today, baby. The traffic, the cars is out. Look at him in the community truck, girl, eating a sandwich, eating a burger. Girl, that's Burger King now. Fat man eating a burger, y'all.
I ain't know what kind of burger he eat.
Girl, I'm just a tell by the rapper, girl. It's either Jack in the Box right there or either Burger King. His ass. Was that another horn?
I don't know.
Or am I tripping?
I don't think you tripping. I heard it too. Next person to go getting pissed off. That's crazy. I've been thinking about that chicken sandwich for a couple of days now.
And Popeye's line is long.
Maybe that's why every time I go to Popeyes, I can't never get my food fast.
And you know what? I think they've been running out of the sandwiches. Somebody said that they pulled up. That was like the second or third Popeyes they pulled up to, and they ain't have no more sandwiches. They was all gone. People been eating them Popeyes up.
And then they only like, what they like $3-4?
No, girl. I think them. Well, I think I had. Did I get the meal? I think I got the meal. The meal, no more than $7.
Oh, I didn't know you had a meal. I
Uh-huh.
was just on the sandwich. So
A chicken sandwich
He said
combo.
$3.99 or something.
Girl, I love the what's that thing called? Yeah, what's that called? What is that thing called? Oh, they finally getting the road right up here.
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck they blowing?
Oh, they people on 10 a day.
What did I just do?
That's nothing.
I wasn't even trying to. This nigga was staring at me.
Girl, they done put no Arby's right there.
And they can't drive, clearly.
Everybody want to get on the good side. Look.
I'm finna get on the good side, too.
Right.
Yeah, my car. Trying to get no.
But look at the hump.
Ooh. It hurt my heart to get up here.
Oh yeah, they need to fix the whole VR, the whole city. I cannot wait till the wintertime. I'm sick of this heat.
Bro. Why do people keep going in my car?
I have no clue.
Is my signal lights not working or something? Because every time I didn't even get over just now, did I? It ain't even that deep though. People don't even use signal lights.
Right. Should the police be trying to stop people for signal lights and they don't even use them?
Right.
How you gonna try to lead? Y'all police, y'all supposed to
Lead by example.
Lead by example. You ain't gonna put on your signal lights, but you wanna ticket me for not putting on mine. No.
I don't know, but
Or like,
what?
oh, people are playing games today.
Okay, hold on. What's going on?
Oh, we gotta win this meeting.
Because every time some other new stuff come out, everybody else wanna bring old stuff back. What is you doing? What are these fries good?
They fresh. I said, please make sure they're fresh.
I don't even need no ketchup.
That Dawson lady got on her orange wig. If she don't look crazy.
And with a pink shirt on.
Pink shirt and light pink big ass glasses.
That's why I don't be wearing my color wigs all the time.
Girl,
Sometimes I be looking like a fucking clown.
that orange thing is a piece of little. Smell, bro. The light just turned green.
Alright, next time I else with me, I promise them to get out this stuff.
Girl.
I'm gonna get out and test them out. And ask them personally, why did you go at me? Is my trunk open or something? I ain't tripping.
No.
I know my car would have let me know.
Right. What did he just say? Man just said something. Raised his finger up. I don't know if he's trying to flip us out. got something at the end of the bag, at the bottom of the bag.
Oh, ooh, look what I just pulled out. I just knew that was a fire, bro.
Right. Girl.
Bro, that was somebody else's boo at me.
Mm-hmm.
I know I ain't tripping, bro. Okay, keep on. And look how I got these fries, cause they did. Right. Well, I ain't got no more fries, but these nuggets and I'm gonna eat too.
Right.
I'm gonna flip them off. Once they pays me up. Come on up here. What you blowing at me for? And they trying to stay back there.
Right.
Oh, the lane closing.
Lane closed. You gotta merge over.
Lashing out with nothing. Bitch, don't blow at me no more.
Girl, you just flipped them out?
Yep. I wonder if I can go straight to the vacuum.
I think you can. I ain't never been to this one.
I just started coming to this one when I moved over here.
I was gonna vacuum the car. Out.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done. What you call it? Oh my God, why you call it that? Yeah, we finna vacuum the car. I think she finna see the sign. Huh? Because I pranked you as a prank. That's how they was blowing at you the whole time.
Man, trying to figure out why the people was blowing at me.
Girl.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I had to do the little honk if you're blessed. I should have put something crazy on there. I should have put a honk if you're horny or something like that. Girl.
When did you do this though?
Before I came. Before I knocked, I was outside, but before I had let you know that I was outside. I had to get you.
Wow.
So they was blowing, y'all. I really expected for them to do more, like blow more or whatever, but I guess people wouldn't really feel like that.
My whole license plate. When did the police would have pulled me over?
The whole license plate, y'all. Good thing the police ain't went nowhere around or whatever. But anyways, y'all, I got hope this prank. It was success, but not as success as I wanted it. But anyways, it's cool though. But make sure y'all subscribe to my channel right now. Subscribe to my channel right now, y'all. Thumbs up this video, of course. Get this to like 50 likes, okay? Get this to 50 likes. Let's see if I can get to 50 likes. And we gonna come with a whole nother banger.